Here I applied some different techniques to achieve the same effect as before. An example was the thick skin tool on these belly parts. With it, it is possible to set a temporary positive or negative thickness in the geometry. And then any brush will just be able to make changes, reverting it back. I could have done everything manually, but I found a good opportunity to test it there. After all, it doesn't matter. Very well, gloves are interesting too. Although small, they have a large surface and some very compressed areas, like around the fingers. And so they are a great chance to explore more loose and organic details. Curves, construction lines, folds and angle changes bring a lot of life to any material. Once again, you will see me using the GeoStandard brush in the detailing. If you have patience, you can do all the leather work using only this brush, drawing line by line. The sleeves follow the same idea. I kept the concept of an organic piece full of character. I wanted to make them more deformed and worn out to give a visual interest. But I tried not to lose the leather aspect. This beaten and destroyed treatment is essential for characters like this. Imagine how a real leather armor would look like being used by a warrior. It would at least have a different color. The more destruction and deformation you add, the better. Remember a famous quote by a Swedish philosopher, Yngwie Malmsteen. More is more. Pay close attention to how I use the masks. I don't do the process just once. You should start with a basic variation on the entire surface, done manually with high and low frequency of details. Then you make the mask and sculpt positive and negative details. Then you add more lines, more specific details, and repeat this process. Finally, this video is another reminder of what I have repeated a lot. Don't leave untouched parts is always your main goal. It took me a long time, and it was hell doing each seam manually. But in the future, this kind of care will be clear to everyone who interacts with your work.